friends, Namaskar dosto. Today we are making a rich and flavorful chicken korma, a classic dish that's creamy, aromatic and absolutely delicious. The gravy is silky smooth, creamy and indulgent with layers of flavor in every bite. Tender chicken pieces are simmered in a royal blend of spices and nutty richness. It's a restaurant style classic with a homely touch, making it both comforting and grand. This dish pairs perfectly with naan, roti, or even steamed basmati rice. So let's start the recipe by adding in mustard oil to a thick bottomed pan or kadai. If you wish, you can take oil and ghee in equal quantity. I've added the marinated chicken pieces into the oil and the ingredient list for the marination I provided in the caption. And here we'll fry the chicken pieces till they are golden brown in color. The yogurt makes the chicken tender and juicy, while the ginger garlic paste adds a punch of flavor. Let the chicken cook until it's golden brown in color and later remove it from oil. Fry the rest of the pieces similarly and we are ready to proceed in the recipe further. Here I have taken brown onions. For this you need to fry 3 big sized sliced onions in vegetable oil. Let it cool down and later in a mixer jar grind it into a fine paste. Here I am adding some whole spices like bay leaf, cardamoms, cloves and a stick of cinnamon. In goes the ginger garlic paste and the whole spices release a beautiful aroma that forms the base of the korma. And here now we'll add some basic spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. And all the quantities have been provided in the caption. Add little water here so that the spices do not get burnt. Let the oil release and next I'll add Kashmiri red chili powder for that extra color in the gravy which we really love. Add half cup of whisked curd or yogurt for that extra flavors. And here we have the main hero of this dish, you can say, the brown onion paste. Add in the brown onion paste and this step is very important because the brown onion paste gives chicken korma its depth and that extra sweetness and creaminess here. Add salt to taste and remember that we have also added salt in the marination, so be careful here. And just saute the masalas till the oil releases here. And now here I am adding a paste of 12 to 15 cashew nuts. This nut paste is the signature element of the korma and it gives the curry its creamy and royal texture. So here I am adding in the fried chicken and now just we need to saute it in for a while so that the chicken pieces are coated well in the masala. Slowly you will see the masala turning into a rich luscious base while the chicken soaks in all those aromatic spices. As you can see, the chicken pieces have been coated well in the masala and now it's time to add water. Here I have added 1 cup of water as I do not want a very runny gravy. Stir it well and now I'll just cover it and allow the gravy to simmer till the chicken is soft and tender. So that's the magic of slow cooking. It brings out the true taste of chicken korma. So cover it and allow to cook over medium flame. As you can see, the korma simmers on low heat. The flavors come together beautifully. The chicken turns tender, the gravy thickens and the aroma fills the kitchen. That's the true magic of slow cooking. This dish is heavenly, luscious and soul satisfying, perfect for any festive meal. So I would suggest that you can try it on weekends or when you plan to do something special for your family. Here I have added garam masala powder and if you wish at this stage you can add in fresh coriander leaves. I'll use it later in the recipe. The chicken has turned perfectly tender. The gravy has thickened into a silky, indulgent curry and the fragrance becomes absolutely irresistible. That's the beauty of this dish. It makes every bite taste heavenly and soul satisfying. Once it's ready, garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and there you have it, our restaurant style royal chicken korma ready to serve. This dish pairs beautifully with naan, roti, or even basmati rice. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. And be with me for more delicious, homely yet royal recipes every week. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Ta-ta. Bye-bye.